Okay guys, straight and direct to the point, just like the title of this video says, I'm going to show you the major strategy that I use in making or taking trades. And I usually trade reversals. I love trading reversals for whatever reason. Some people love trading continuation, but I love trading reversals. Now, I noticed something after studying the charts over and over again, and I saw, and also from the experience of trading my real accounts, I discovered that you see doji candles like this. I'm not talking about the one that has body. Look at this. You see, anytime you see a candle that is perfectly crossed like this, a perfect cross, wicks, candles that are made up of wicks, followed by a bearish engulfing candle, they are one of the strongest bearish reversal plans that I've seen in my trading journey. Now, before you just jump in and start trading this, listen to the things I have to say. First things first, I am on a daily time frame. This is daily time frame. On lower time frames, this pattern is weaker and may not deliver as much as being seen on a daily time frame. There are one or two other things you need to consider. Now, first of all, wait for some series of bullish candles, maybe about 3. You can see 1, 2, 3. Okay, look at these two, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you look for this wick, this cross wick. I'm not talking about the one that has small body here. No, it must be wicks. I mean, plus like this, both the vertical and horizontal, made up of wicks. Okay, now to confirm this, let us go to indicators, and I will add 2 indicators. I usually add this stochastic RSI. I don't make any changes, I just add it. And I also add fair value gap by Lux Aglo. I am using the free version of TradingView, so you can as well add this. Now, if you look right here, look at this. On the stochastic RSI, look at, you see that price is clearly overbought. You will see right here. Anytime that you see price within here to here, know that it is within normal range. But if it goes below here, is oversold. Anytime that price comes below here, know that it is clearly what? Oversold. Anytime it comes anything below 20, look at the value right here. Anything below 20 is oversold, and anything above 80 is overbought. You can see. And whenever it goes out right here, and these two lines intermingle like this, it is coming down most times. They may play around, but it's definitely coming down. And just like I told you, it is confirmed by this doji candle with a bearish engulfing. The first sign you will see is, well, first of all, look for a doji, perfect doji like this with a bearish engulfing. The second thing is what? Confirm it with your stochastic RSI that it is overbought or oversold. For the oversold part, you are going to see that it's going to also come down plus here and then with a bullish engulfing. You see that this thing might likely be like this. So that is the second thing. Now, also, if you look now, you see that it has tapped into another block with fair value gap. Look at this. This is another block with fair value gap. Look at this right here. Okay, this is another block with fair value gap. This is another block, it has fair value gap. You can see. And this fair value gap, even though it has delivered first, when it came here first, it came into it and it delivered. You can see with this. But sometimes too, we see that fair value gaps deliver twice. Okay, whenever it delivers twice, I don't think it's good for you to trade it again. This is a daily candle, and you will see that it's remaining 12 hours to close, 12 hours, 26 minutes. If at the end of 12 hours, 26 minutes, that this candle ended up like this as a bearish engulfing. Remember to know what a bearish engulfing is. It must engulf the last candle, especially with a body. The body must be big as twice as the previous candle. So if it goes this way and it closes like this, then know that this is a pure reversal pattern. Okay, and it's going towards fall. And when it's falling, I'll be targeting here. Let me just do this short. I'll do something like this, and I'll go this way. I can take my stop loss here. Okay, you can see. So something like this. This is a perfect 1:3 trade. You can see it. You can see it, targeting the head of this line. It doesn't have any business coming up here. The next candle may be bullish. Don't get it wrong. It may be bullish and get to like here. But the next thing you are going to see is boom, 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 down. Okay. It may also get down to here, but in order not to be greedy, and also these are green fair value gaps on daily time frame. So it's definitely going to give you some trouble. Okay, so leave it like this. Okay, once it does this and this particular fair value gap disappears, it's smashing right down to this place. Okay, so remember, like I said before, the major criteria is what? This cross formation. Okay, this particular cross formation, this with this. I'm not talking about when it has a small body here. Oh. No, it must be wicks lying like this, followed by a bearish engulfing. This is a perfect reversal pattern. And also, when you check the stochastic RSI, you will see that it is clearly overbought and it is what's heading down. My only concern is gold and silver. This is SAG USD. Gold and silver usually behave the same way. Now, if you go to gold, gold is still buying. Gold is kind of still buying. Okay, it is still buying, even though it is showing clearly overbought. Gold is also clearly overbought. And on gold, I'm not kind of seeing the same pattern, but it's fine. They mustn't form exactly the same pattern. I guess on gold, gold may also trade up till around here before it will start reversing. Okay, but perhaps gold and silver, they may have stopped playing almost same kind of card. I don't know. But what I'm looking at silver right now, what I'm seeing on silver is showing a clear reversal pattern. Okay, you can see right here. And I'm going in for this trade. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comments, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Remember that your trading strategy means nothing if you don't go in with proper risk management, because there is no strategy that is 100% guaranteed. So if you can do this and if we trade 10 times, let's say you're using an account of $100, okay, or account of $200, account of $200, and you risk, if you use 0.01 and you do this and you are risking $50 on each trade, you see that it's actually four trades, and it's high, but 0.01 on silver, you definitely have risk about $30 to $50, because I don't know, for whatever reason it's that heavy. So if you are trading this account with, let's say, $300, and you are risking $50 on each trade, you see that you go 6 times. If you win, if you hit 1:3 like 2 times, okay, you see that you'll be in profit. Okay. In fact, if you trade this strategy 10 times, if you trade 10 times and you hit take profit 3 times, you'll be in profit if you are risking the same amount of money each time. Okay, so don't over risk, don't over leverage, because there is no strategy that's 100%, but this actually works. I've backtested, I've actually tried it out a lot of times. Okay, in fact, in my real trades, there was a time I was in a buy, and I saw this pattern. I clearly saw this pattern, and one mind told me this should be a sell cut off, but I kept holding on that trade and it reversed completely to give me stop loss. So I actually learned a lot from that, and now I'm seeing this again, coupled with the fact that this is also showing clearly overbought and is about to reverse. So if you're going to jump on this trade, let me know. Okay, you can also take it on a demo if you don't really trust the setup, and let us see how it goes. Okay, let me open this. Look at this. Look at the entry price. Look at it right here. Look at the take profits. This is the stop loss. Okay, for now, since price has not gotten there, it's going to be a buy stop. Sorry, it's going to be a sell stop order, a sell stop. So you can set this sell stop order. Okay, so once price gets there, it will trigger, and let's see how it plays out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.